Welcome to Abandoned Cart Pro. Let's quickly walk through what you can do to recover more sales. If you've just set things up, here are the key areas you'll use the most. Dashboard, abandoned orders page, templates, pop-ups, add to cart and exit intent, and product report. With the main areas covered, let's see how pop-ups help you collect customer emails. First, enable the Add to Cart pop-up. Choose a template type, pick the Add to Cart template, and it's ready to go. Now, watch it live. As soon as a shopper adds a product, the pop-up appears. Catch shoppers before they leave. Enable the Exit Intent pop-up. Choose a template type, select the Exit Intent template. This pop-up appears when shoppers move to leave your site, giving them one last chance to claim a discount. Now, automate follow-ups with smart reminder emails. Decide when each email goes out. For example, 10 minutes after abandonment. Add the dynamic coupon tag to personalize the discount for each shopper. This is how the email appears to your customers. When they click Checkout Now, they go straight to your store's checkout with the coupon pre-applied. Stay compliant while recovering sales. Go to Settings, GDPR, Enable Consent, and select Opt-in. A clear checkbox appears at checkout, so shoppers stay in control of their data. Explore more features. Multiple email capture points, smart templates, personalized messages, and easy export to Google Sheets. Everything is designed to help you recover more revenue. And if you need help, our documentation and support team are just a click away. Thanks for choosing Abandoned Cart Pro.